Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillahi amma ba'du. Hello everyone, in this video I want to share with you how to make a home page that have a connection with the database, or uh, we can call it multi-user. So everyone, before we start to the visual code or anything, so better I show you all my flow chart and how my codes work. So this is my flow chart. So when user accessing login page, and there is username and password and also submit, and when user clicking submit, and then my code is checking is username and password not empty. Okay, so it means username and password is input something here inside here. There is filled with username and password, so it redirect. So my code works to another things. So what my code will take or post username from this section or from this input and also password, and check is the username and password same same as a username and password in table 1. Okay, because we will use three tables. Table 1 is to save or to keep username and password. Table 2 to give to connecting with table 3, and table 3 is for access, to give access, like at this one. So we back to this chart. uh okay, table 1 is not empty, is username is and password not empty, so we'll get or post, or sorry, for post input from the input here, and checking is the same like table 1. But if the username and password empty, so the error or error alert will appear. Okay, and earlier the code is checking is username is password same as a table 1. If same, it will works, but it is if it's not same or it's different, so the error will appear again. Your password is uh, different, or maybe you can type the right password or anything. Okay, if the username and password same like at the table 1, so it will my code will checking whether user has access to the page or not, because I have to register first the user and the user first, the account first. So maybe okay, we can check here. Like I said earlier, I have to register the account first. This is the username and this is the password. Back to the flow chart. Okay, so the username, what user input here, and also password uh, must be same like this. So username and password. So if the username and password not same or different, so the error will appear, and we'll checking. So my code will continue the process and checking whether user has access or not. And access is here, where I mean here, admin access, master access. Okay, this is master access. So master access just will table master access just just will give or just name guru siswa SPP, and admin access will bridge two table admin and master access. Okay, so admin access will give admin access and access, so kind of that. And we continue to the flow chart. We'll check, so my code will check the whether user has access to the page or not. So if the user have access, we'll continue the code. But if the user does not have access, the error will appear. And if user have access, will be redirected to the front page. Okay, so user will continue his activities. If user trying to access another page, if he or if user trying to access his own page, so there's no problem and nothing happen or just flow like that. And then when user trying to access another page, other page, I'm sorry, so the error will appear. So if you see my chart here, maybe you can understand what will we do. Okay, the first one we will make HTML and another on the rest of or rest of anything here. We will use PHP and another things. Okay, okay, and we continue the video. So this page is have a login page. Maybe we just look this. Okay, so it looks like this, the login page. When we fill the username and the password with the registered username and password, we can connect it to the other page that we can see. For example, admin here can see anything. Okay, admin can see front page, teacher page, student page, and SPP page, but guru, guru, okay, only can see two things: guru and siswa. Guru, teacher page, and student page, like that. So guru can see SPP page. Okay, and the first thing that we have to do is, as always, we have to start the Apache and MySQL at SMPP control panel, and after that open localhost phpMyAdmin and create new database. Maybe we can use multi-user, but I have the multi-user. Maybe we can add this one, multi one. Okay, or maybe just multi. Create. Okay, database is created, and next is create new table. We want to make a three table. The first one is admin and create. Okay, and make maybe just three column. We just need three column, and name this table with admin. And the first is, okay, the first column or the first row is login ID with integer, type data integer, and the length maybe we can add it here 11, and of course auto increment. And next is name. We use nama with varchar. We can add here 25 and leave this another thing. And next is password. Password with varchar and 25 and leave this another thing. Okay, and click save. Save. We made we just made one table here, admin, and next we make another table. Click new here, and this table name is master key, or not master key but master access. Okay, and the first one is access ID with integer. No, not integer but varchar. You can add the maximum here 10 and nama with varchar maximum 25. Save. No, but and click save. Okay, we just made two table, admin and master access. And to bridge the table one, this admin and table 2 master access, we make new table here, new table with name admin access. And only have two row. This table only have two row. With first one is login ID with integer and make it auto increment and access ID. With varchar 10. Okay, and save. Okay, we have three tables here: admin access for the bridge, admin and master access, and the third is master access. And we have to make the design so it looks like this. But maybe we see the design. Okay, there is no connection here, but I want to make a connection, so maybe it's just look like this. Nah, okay, this one. I want to explain this first. So the admin or login ID at admin is have a connection with login ID at admin access, and access ID at master access have a connection with access ID at admin access. Okay, we can just move to the admin here and move to the structure relation view and make, or maybe we can just leave this one first and move to our code at VS Code. Okay, back, refresh and open Visual Studio Code. And yeah, this is empty. right? There is no file here. And first one, open folder and open at this PC, move to the Windows and search for XMPP, and then move to htdocs. Okay, and inside here create new folder with name, maybe we can use multi, and enter and select folder. Okay, okay, there's the author, and as always we have to make maybe we can use not index but login p.php and create a small structure of HTML, tap here and change the title with login page. Save. Okay. And before we continue to the body, we make new table here and name it with maybe en or maybe just connection connect.php, enter, and inside here we will make a variable, and don't forget to work it with PHP text. Okay, inside here we make a variable with name, okay, with name db host and type localhost because we use PHP, and also below that db user with the root, and next var db password, and there is no password because we use PHP, and next database name with name of our database, and our database name is multi, so we can name our type inside here multi, close with semicolon, control C. And next we will make a variable with the name connexy, and inside this variable is order to check that our database is connected with this file or not. MySQL connect, sorry, connect, and type inside here these variables db host, db user, db pass, and last is, sorry, and last is db name in close and also semicolon. And next we make a possibility if the connection is working, so print at the screen so says save, but else, or if the connection is failed, print to the screen with file, close with semicolon, and also this close with semicolon. Save. We can use this live or run code. You can download the extension with code runner, so we can run the code here and we check it success. So if the print is success, that means our database is connected with this file. So we can erase this whole thing, put close tag, and we make different possibility, and inside here we type type connection, maybe we use Indonesia. Okay, close with semicolon. So if the connection is fail, okay, then print koneksi gagal, like that. Close this and save, and then we close koneksi PHP. Okay, and the first thing you need to type in the body is a tag HTML from, so form actually a little bit empty first, and next to the input we have three input, right? If I am not wrong, there is sorry, there is three input here. Okay, now there is three input: username, password, and button. Input type text and name, username, and then placeholder is username. Save, and we copy this twice. The next is password. Password with name exactly password, and placeholder is password, and next is for a button. Type here submit, and name is maybe simpan, and placeholder we put here login, or maybe we can rename this with login. Save, or maybe we look at here, open or multi, which means admin change with multi, just multi without user. Enter, connect CP. Okay, so the result is like this: username, password, and button. Okay, maybe we can add here there twice, there, and we can copy this, Control C, Control V, Control V, save. We look at here, nah, so it's is better. and maybe we can add here a styling CSS with the style with the CSS, and also, and of course we maybe we can add here first before we change to the CSS. We can add here heading, heading with name login page. Save. We look at here. Now login page and make a new file with style CSS. And we begin styling first. Okay, the first one I will change the font for all is font size. I want to change the font size to the 16px. The auto autofill is not working because this file is CSS and this the language mode is post CSS. We change to the CSS so the language or sorry, the autofill will works. Next body, set body, we change the background color with this azure, azure, azure. Save. Next, I will change here. Okay, inside it's heading and from. I will wrap this one with the container. Okay, we put close tag below from and add tab here and tab. Okay, save and container is change the width with okay or this with no px and also margin as always auto make it at center and padding is just 10 px and border radius 5 px and background color change with white. Save and we will style the h1 or heading with the font size just 30px. Save and we change again for input class input. Oh, we forgot to put input class here, so this each of input except this last is have a class input, so we add here class input and also in this class input. Save and here input with the padding 10px and also with 300px. Save or we will look at result. No, it's just the center and then If you want to make this all to the center, you can use display flex and text intelligence. Yes, that's justify content center. We can try it. Display flex, justify content center, and flex direction. Don't forget to put flex direction is column. Save. Okay, it's not working because maybe there is some styling we have to do, but we don't need this one, so I will erase it and leave this like this thing. And next to the nav tool, we will pointing to the tool inside nav. Okay, we don't make it that, so just maybe can erase this one first and save. So this is the last styling of login page. And next is this, move to the from action, and the action things is we leave it empty, and but add after action method method we use post because it's more safe than we use cat. I'm sorry. Then we use cat. Okay, and that's enough. Control save, and we will move to the PHP thing. We'll place PHP below or above HTML. And the first will include the connection or connection PHP, save, and semicolon, and then put username. Sorry, put a variable username and leave the value empty. Don't forget to put equal, and next is password, and also we leave it empty because uh, user will fill it from the input tag. And also error, this is for error. Okay, save, and then like this I want to, if user click this keyring, so the page will, so the code is will proc some code running like this. Okay, we move to the VS Code, and below R is put logic is set post is set post username. So if the post username is filled from user with user, so this username. Variable of username is posted username semicolon, add shift down and just username with password, and also insert this thing, save, and this insert if we put more if username with pass. No, I'm wrong. We can undo this if. Okay, we put one logic here. Username is equal to 0 or sorry or username no password also equal to 0. So run this order. The order is we will make a variable error with the action or with the value, this one. We put here inside here is silakan, sorry, silakan masukkan username and password. Okay, and put semicolon here. Okay, this is for if the username is equal to 0 and also password equal to 0, or user is not filling this username as a username input, and also uh, the user is not fill the input for password. So this code is running. This code will run. Sorry. Play. Save. Oh no, we put inside here. Save. And then we put more logic thing. If empty ARR. So if there is no wrong, run this thing. SQL what? SQL1 with the order select all from admin where username and there is a typo username. And then next is we put more variable with the variable key1 with the order MySQL query connection and SQL with the dollar SQL save, put semicolon here, and last thing is R1. What is R1? So insert R1 is MySQL fetch array. So the order is catch all value and catch it on variable type data array Q1. So this have a connection with this, and also this Q1 have a connection with SQL1, and the SQL1 is order is this blah 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 blah, blah username. Okay, and then put again here if empty. Okay, we don't finish it yet. Add inside here if, sorry, no, if R1 and inside R1 is password. Inside R1 is password. If the password is not same with the MD5 password, so the order is also error, and inside error is this one. Ditemukan. Okay, save and put after that it's semicolon, and also in this way semicolon, save, and then after that put again when if is empty r or error, so run this code. The first one, login id r1 login .php. Okay, and then next is SQL1 equals to select all from admin access where sorry, select all from access admin access where login id is where login id is login id, save, and insert to put semicolon. And next with the variable q1 and MySQL query koneksi and SQL1 close, and next Okay, maybe that's enough for variables, but still on the same row. Put inside here while or looping. This is looping, right? R1 while R1 is okay, while R1 is MySQL fetch array with the Q1. So okay. While access square text R1 R1 is with access ID and close with semicolon. Yeah, close with semicolon, and after that with the if again, if empty access r. Okay, this is the message for error. Okay, admin and put a close tag. Okay, save and don't forget to put semicolon so there is no wrong inside here. Okay, next is after this. Okay, add this one empty air like other air, or if there is no empty session. This is for register session. Admin username put semicolon and next session admin access, and there is this this order we will save it on a variable access. Save and add here header location is at mm, admin php. Save, put semicolon, and the last is exit. Save. Okay, that's enough. No, this is typo, right? Yeah, save. Okay, and this one I want to make here is a alert or error things. So when this all of error will appear here if there any error. Okay, below login page we put here PHP, sorry, and PHP equals tag. Okay, if error is true, so run this one, echo all with the variable r and close all. We put semicolon here, save, and that is off. That is maybe enough for login page or login PHP. But I want to make a little change here for input at username. Add here value with the PHP echo username save. Okay, that's enough. If we check to our code, maybe there is an error or there is no error, but we can fill this one because when we kill there is no things happen. Okay, that's enough. If you want to change the font family, you can change it here. Maybe I want to change that to font family. Font family we can use no, this may be Verdana. When we see there is nothing change. Okay, and there nothing change. Maybe that's not working, or maybe we will use this save. I hope it's work. But that's not working because maybe there's wrong here. Mineral style sheet. Oh, style sheets. Style.css. This work, but this thing is not working because I don't know font family, career new, career minus space. Or maybe we will, for example, there is nothing happen. 60. Save. One. Okay, there maybe that's little there is error, so maybe we just leave it, we can leave it. And there's the login page. Okay, we done with the login page, and this all thing is necessary, so don't miss any of little things like semicolon or this thing or another. Okay, next we move to the other file. But before we move to the other page or other file, we have to sign up the admin. So I want to make a account for admin like this. If we click this, okay, there is no big there is error because we haven't registered or sign up the user or account. So the first add admin, we just insert, and inside login ID No, but at nama we use, this is for username, so we use admin, and password is maybe admin 12345, and encrypt this password with MD5. Okay, maybe we can use 12345 MD5, or maybe we change the structure first. Okay, I want to change this more than maybe this. Okay, so we back to the insert and admin, and then this 12345 6. Click go, and that's, so we have register sign up. So we have registered the admin. Okay, we back, we refresh, and this admin and 12345 6. Okay, there is error in at line 18. We back to the Visual Studio Code at line 18, and there is error here. Oh, we forgot to put one string, and back again, 12345 6. Maybe we, okay, we refresh first, 12345 6, and then there's error. Oh, this typo, not admin, but not with two I, just with one I. Save, we back again, refresh, and there's error. But what is this? Column username where clause is. Okay, we just again. Okay, maybe the error is here because at our database there is no column that named username. If we check again at multi-user at admin, the name is nama, not username. So we change it to the nama, save, and I hope it works. So back to the file, to the login browser. Nah, okay, we try again. Send. Why that's because there's not encrypted maybe. So maybe we can copy this, edit, and encrypt with MD5. Enter, go. Okay, and we back again. We can refresh this. There is what is this at line 27, and the final run login PHP 27. What is this login PHP? This is not login PHP, right? But we change again, but login ID. So the variable $login ID save value R1 login ID, and R1 is linked to here is fetch array from Q1, and Q1 is running a query from this username nama, and I hope it works. We back again. Okay, there is another error at line 29. We can check it here, syntax manual correspond variable at near 1. Okay, maybe check it at line 29 here, and of course it's from here. Okay, maybe the error is here. We forgot to put one last thing is quote, and control save. We back again to this, refresh. Okay, we try again 1 2 3 4 5 6, and there is no access because, okay, maybe we check it here and admin access. So okay, maybe we can just back to the legend PHP and maybe we can check all this. Why we not link it to this page? No, this, okay, because we have a session that okay, that this page is used. So maybe we can just make this one node and this will works. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so we link it to the admin depan and we back to the Visual Studio Code and we move to this admin depan PHP. We make new file admin depan.php, and before we fill this this page or this file, we make new file with name enj underscore header. This is for header and we will use it repeatedly. So at admin depan or after this admin guru or teacher and also admin student, we will just put inside here include enj here input enj header like that. But first we will type inside this enj header PHP, and first we make a HTML file. We name it here document, leave this like document, and we will link it to the CSS, link CSS, style CSS, and leave it like this. Move to the body section, cut here class up or maybe container, no, just up. Okay, class up, and inside up there is nav for navigation, and only there is a, we first will make a halaman depan. So this is a button or navigation, and there is many navigation. Sorry, maybe just four. The first one is halaman depan, and the second is halaman guru. Third is siswa, and the last is yes. Oh yeah, I will add this one also button for logout. Log out. Save. And this is for header, and we also add here new file for footer. Yeah, and like header, footer we will use it repeatedly, so we make separately from other file. And footer we will just this we just use this 3, cut this, Ctrl X and paste here. Okay, like this. Save and leave the footer and move to the header. Okay, and okay, and then we go back to the admin depan, or maybe we will add style CSS, right? Style CSS. There's header, style CSS. We link it here. We will add more styling at here. Add style. The first for header is nav list style type none. This is for navigation, and also we make the margin 0 and padding also 0, and for overflow is hidden. Okay, next to the early inside pool, we'll make float float left, and then we move again to other, to a tag, anchor tag, fully a. So display, we will make it inline block, and then padding, we'll make it 10 for each side, and color, we'll make it white, and also background color, we'll make it 333, and that is black or maybe gray, and then text decoration, we use none to make underline gone, and margin right 1 px, just 1 px. Save. Maybe we will look at here at png header display. No, this. There's nothing because this PHP file, so we can't see. Or if you want to see, so just open here, go back, change the eng header dot php. Nah, so it look like this, but that is not working. Why? Because we haven't saved this yet. Save. Okay, there's not, it's not work. Or maybe it will work later. So we just move ahead to the admin depan. Oh, I forgot one thing. I want to make hover, so just put nav only and at and also hover, background color 666. Save. Move to the admin depan and add as always PHP, and then the close tag for PHP. As I said, we will include this. We'll include this file eng header .php. Don't forget close tag, save, and this below this is content, and content is this halaman depan, and also selamat and we will also add here footer. Include ng footer what PHP and add close text save. So when we open here, add login 1 2 3 4 5 6 Kirin. Okay, so it looks like this, but the styling is not working. Why? Because maybe we can check it here. Okay, we back to the header and we will check. So there is no error. It's just loading. So when we refresh it, so it's work. So it's work like this, right? Oh yeah. And then I want to. We forgot one thing. Or we will change at header, not class app but class container. So the class container will follow this one. We'll check. No, we'll check here. Okay, so it places it at center as we want. Okay, if you want to make it darker, you can change this. Not FFF, or maybe this. Not DDD, but other color. Maybe this. We will leave this like that. Okay, we move to other. We will also add here. Sorry. We will also add here another file. There is admin panel, so we will add here. We just can copy this. Copy. If we can paste here. Okay, we can paste here and rename with admin guru for each account. And also we copy more and paste here and rename with Siswa. And last for SPP, rename SPP save, and we will change this one guru, not depan, but sorry, we can no, okay, not depan, but halaman guru, and this is guru. Okay, save. And siswa, we also change this. It's siswa, and also this with siswa save. SPP, and this one to SPP save. Okay, we can post this. And next to this page. I'm sorry. Okay, or maybe we will see this to prove that we have done with browser. Oh, this is not connected because we haven't connected yet. So we move to the header and add here admin depan dot php, and here admin guru.php, and this one admin syswall.php, and last admin spp.php. Save, we will see. Okay. And the last thing is logout. Logout, we will add here also file logout logout.php, and we will link it here first at header logout.php. Save. To logout, so logout will destroy the session for admin, right? This fill it with admin. So logout will destroy the session for admin. First one we put here PHP tag and also the close tag, and type here session start. Session start, then type semicolon, and then session destroy, type semicolon, and last is header, and the location tag to the login page. Location login.php, or maybe we can change login with index.php, index, cause browser will search the first file will appear at this page is index. Okay, back to the Visual Studio Code, and also we will change another thing like this with index. Save. We'll check again if there any login PHP here. There is nothing, and also at header. It's nothing. Footer admin spp, nothing. Okay. So if we type here, refresh. If we type logout, we click logout, so that back to the login page. And the next, we will use this one that I make it not. So this code statement will make each account will have this page to appear here. For example, admin 1 2 3 4 5 6 and send but oh, okay, this appear again because we haven't registered admin to have access to admin page, so we have to register first for admin account, have access to admin page. Back to the localhost to admin access, and we insert here, and the value is. But before we doing this typing here, we back again to the master access. We move to the master access and type inside here, inside access ID and normal. First one, access ID, we'll type here guru, and this will be nama this for will type here guru. Okay, and access ID, the second access ID is siswa, and this nama is the current siswa, and type go. It's loading back. Okay, there is two row here, and are at the last one. Add insert and SPP, and maybe we can type here halaman SPP. Okay, go back to the browse, maybe to the structure. Okay, that's enough. And then we move to the admin access. Add insert and type insert here. Okay, we forgot one thing to set the setting. We go to the admin and no, at admin access and insert. But insert but set structure and relation view. We will add a relation to admin first, so we can column login ID. Okay, login ID to database multi and table at admin and login ID. So login ID at here have relation with login ID at admin, and we click save, and we add one more access ID at this one, at this database, or this table, I'm sorry, have access or have a relation with, at master access. There's nothing to add because access ID. Okay, or maybe we can add here structure relation access ID have a relation with access, not login ID, but okay. So there is one thing, so I'll check it. After trying for a while, so login ID is appear and also access ID is appear. So this page or this table admin access have a connection with access ID at master access. I mean here at section access ID. So access ID inside admin access have a connection with access ID inside master access, and also login ID inside admin access have a connection with login ID inside admin. I mean here. So when I click save, nah, so there is a, what is this? Error creating provision key on access. Check data type. So I will check it. Add data types, login ID, access ID varchar. When I see it here, access ID is integer. So there's the problem. So we can change here. Access ID integer. So we can change to the varchar and make it 10. Change, and this varchar and make it 10. And also don't forget to make this primary. There is nothing. Okay, and click save, and we try it again to make a relation here for master access ID at master access ID. So it appear here and it's successful. If we see at multi and designer, okay, so access ID have relations with access ID here, inside master access, and also login ID inside admin access have connection with login ID here. Okay, so when we try here, refresh, okay, admin 1 2 3 4 5. See? No. 1 2 3 4 5 tidak ditemukan, but 1 2 3 4 5 6. There's no access here because we haven't make a we haven't make at here at master access. I'm sorry, master access. So I will make it here insert. No, at admin. No, master access first. Insert. Type here guru. Access ID is guru because that have a relation with admin access. And type here nama. We can type here guru, and also access ID here. We type syswa. Okay, cool. And the last one is add more. Insert SPB. Insert here halaman SPB. Go. Browse when we check it. So this is access ID. So we back to the admin access. Insert when we check it admin. Okay. Admin with one and this guru, and also admin siswa. Click go. Okay. So we can check it here. And the last one, structure, add insert admin for SPP. Go. So this mean admin number one is admin have access with guru page, siswa page, and also SPP page. So if we reload, nah, maybe we can logout admin, and we put inside here password, click okay. So akun admin have a can open all of page like guru, halaman siswa, and also SPB. And maybe we can add one more akun. Add admin here. Can add here akun. Insert name. We can add here maybe just guru, and guru with the password 2 3 4 5 6. Don't forget add here MD5. Go and click browse, so it added here. So login ID number 2 have a relations with admin access here, login ID. So we add here insert, add here guru. Guru can open guru page, of course, and then guru also can open siswa. So guru just can open two page, guru and siswa. Go, we back here, logout, and guru, type here guru, and the password is 2 3 4 5 6. Kirim. Why this still appear? Because because we haven't put inside here. I'm sorry, we haven't put inside header PHP or a PHP statement of the logical statement here. So maybe we can start it from here again. Yeah, add here ref halaman depan, okay, and insert then below this for guru. So this page is for guru. If okay, but before that PHP. If in array guru with a session admin add admin access. Okay, and okay, and this now with Kurawal and close this PHP and open PHP. Okay, can cut this and type inside here. Control V, and we can copy 3 times 3 and cut this. This is for here, still same V, and also SPP, Control X for SPP here, Control V, and the last is okay. That's enough. We can erase the last. We save. We just change this Siswa, and also this SPP. Save. If we try it, now there is an error here. So it says variable session blah 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 in line 15. Line 15. So there's an error here. Oh, we forgot to put include connection. So just type here with PHP include connection dot php. Put close here, save, and also this logical statement if is set session admin username no name nama. So the other location index dot php plus here and add at the first at the top session start plus save if we nah back here admin One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, why it's happening? Because why it happened? Because we forgot to put little thing here. Oh yes, we have set is set, or if admin session within username is not set, so location back to the index. So, okay, that's admin access, admin username. Okay, for this, maybe we can call it error. We can change all this thing. This is before I change it to name. This section is filled with username. So just change the name and also add connection, maybe nothing, and this can change all this username to the name. This control D, and also D, change to the name. Done. Okay, and the last add placeholder. No, Control Z and click escape. And here placeholder, we can just type here username because it's just placeholder. Save. Okay, if we check, and I hope it works. There is a defined what? A defined name. So name is not defined here. This one. Why? If we click here, we click again. So there is now we can change here with name, and also here with name. Save. Check it again. Okay. Admin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Still same. So I found this bug. I so this not username but login because it have connection with this one. Nah, login. If a connection with this one, so we have to make it same. Make sure it that inside here inside there name if connected with post logic because when it click so it will work, then this one will working, so the variable is work and another like that. And this also, sorry, this also is not username because inside post here there is no username at name, but there is name. So we can just make it name and then there is no variable username because we change it to the name. Save and okay, this also okay. When we check it, okay, I'm sorry, we check again to here, lanjutkan. First one is guru. We just try to guru and password is 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's still same, I don't know, but if we change to the admin, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and still same. And here again I forgot to put one line here, one function here, session start. This is for to start the session, and just close it. And then if statement, if is set, session admin username, not username but name. Okay, so if admin is set, so we begin again. Either location admin depan, so it will connected to the admin depan. Save and don't forget to put semicolon here, and then maybe that's enough, and I hope it works. So this can change with value because the type is submit, so we can change it to the value. Okay, save. We add space here, save again, and we back to here. Refresh, and admin 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 login. Okay, that's so the conclusion is I forgot to put session start at the top of index PHP. So if you check here, okay, I forgot to put that out thing here, so we have to put this because before the session started. Save. Okay, siswa guru SPP, siswa guru SPP. Okay, next we will make a change at logout. Oh, that's working. Oh, if we check it here, maybe we have put inside. Okay, so the logout is set. So when it clicked, it back to the location index PHP. And next we will make this one. So maybe we can log out first. So I will log in as a guru or teacher with password 2345 6. Login. So I will make guru. Oh, this work right? Multi. Okay, so that's working. So guru only can see guru and siswa as we setting here. You see, right? If you see at my database or our database at admin, no, at admin access, I'm sorry. So this one, guru is number 2, right? Guru is number 2, so guru can only see guru and siswa, but admin can see anything if we log out and back as admin. 3 4 5 6. So admin can see halaman guru or teacher page, student page, and also SPP page. But I will make another account here at admin. I will make another account. I insert and I will type here as no. Okay, right here. Back and see here. Insert spp, and also password, maybe password 1 3 4 5 6 7. Don't forget to put here and d5 go md5 go and browse. Okay, it's appear and admin access. We'll setting for admin. I'm sorry, for spp. Insert here spp is number 3. Only can see spp. Go. Okay, if we log in here as a spp with password 3 4 5 6 7, login. Okay, spp only can see spp, but okay, right, that's right, spp. Okay, and logout. Okay, but here, if we take a look here, if I login as guru, which is that guru only can see two things: his own page guru and siswa or student page. 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, guru and siswa page. That's true or that's enough. But if we change this with spp and click, nah, the spp is appear here. So I don't make this appear because guru can see spp page. So we put inside this, back to the VS Code. Inside guru page, that or maybe spp page or each page admin guru siswa. So who can see spp is only spp, siswa and guru is only guru. So we add here if statement, inside after input, add if statement. If in array, okay, if not in array, because there is not logical, guru session admin access, okay, then echo, we put message here, kamu tidak punya akses. Don't forget to put semicolon and include footer PHP. ing footer php, okay, ing footer dot php and put semicolon and last exit. Save and we copy this, Ctrl C to siswa and also to spp, but don't forget to rename guru with siswa and also spp with spp. Add here, enter, back, spp save, and that's no save, save, and save. Okay, and back to here. We login as spp with password 3456 7. Login spp. Okay, if we change this with syswa, nah, you have not access, and back to spp like that. So that's maybe enough, and this is the last, yeah. Login multi-user. So we can login as a guru as we practice, or siswa, siswa, right? Now we have registered siswa yet, but if you want to make siswa can log into your page, so just add account here siswa with the password as you like here. So siswa is number 4 like that, and there is 3 account here: admin, guru, siswa, and there is login multi-user. So each user only can see that only can see that part, each part, its own part, like guru for guru and siswa, spp and spp, siswa. If you like, just add here siswa, siswa, and admin can control all things. So admin must control all things, so he can see all the thing like this. Mean 1 2 3 4 5 6 enter. Okay, admin can see anything. Okay, and that's maybe enough, and thank you for your attention, and I'm so sorry if there any bad word or bad pronunciation and at this video, and I so sorry if there any error. If you see at my video, so you can comment. And last word, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.